When it comes to kitchen ideas, if you're looking for a kitchen remodeler, maybe you're looking for a bathroom remodeling contractor and you live in Bucks County or Montgomery County, I'm standing with Daryl from Remodeling Group. Daryl has been recognized as one of the top kitchen and remodeling contractors, not only throughout Bucks County and Montgomery County, but the surrounding area. This is what a traditional Bucks County house that's been converted. I mean, and I guess like most people they're embracing the open concept feeling. Tell me about what this customer went with and what was their desire.
So with this design here, we had a typical two-story colonial in Bucks County, and the design of the kitchen was very closed off with three walls surrounding the kitchen. So the client decided to open up and break through that wall, creating a bigger kitchen area with a large island, a lot of counter space, a lot of cabinet storage, as well as some upgraded features with granite and upgraded cabinets and molding. This kitchen has a lot of neat features that are trending today. For example, the large island behind us acts as a place for entertaining, guests and areas to kind of congregate around. We've also done things with the cabinets today. A lot of the cabinet trends today are lighter cabinets, white, marble, backsplash.
I've been working with Daryl for 10 years now. He's done remodels on this home and on my last home, and those of many of my clients as I'm in the real estate profession. And I've met lots of contractors throughout my time in real estate, and I can't recommend very many, but I recommend Daryl. His eye to precision and detail makes my job a lot easier, so I highly recommend that anybody that needs a quality renovation done, they call Daryl.
How was it to work with him and going over the details, the planning?
Well, Daryl gave me a budget, which I exceeded because I wanted things a certain way, and he was very clear with me. He told me, if you want this, this is how it's going to be, this is how long it will take. So he and I have known each other long enough to butt heads a little bit, and at the end of the day, we worked it out to where I have this beautiful kitchen. So I couldn't be happier with the end product and how Daryl handled the entire situation.
The online reviews talk about you taking the time to do education. We've met with your customers. Everyone saying how you've taken the extra time to get the plan right. I mean, you don't want to start building without a proper plan and satisfying the customer. That's where that all stems from.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, planning is probably one of the most important parts of the project. Being able to plan a project as far as all the details, scheduling, trying to meet deadlines, budgetary concerns, it's key into making a project successful.
If you're looking for a kitchen remodeling contractor, bathroom remodeling, you do all types of bathrooms today, really amazing bathrooms. If you're looking for someone you can trust, Remodeling Group, Daryl and his team will take the care for your home and take the time to properly plan a project so you really get exactly what you're looking for, and I think that's really important. You have to live with it, so you know that. I want to thank you for taking the time with me, and I look forward to recommending your bathroom remodeling services, kitchen remodeling services to anyone living in Bucks County, Montgomery County, or the surrounding areas. Thanks again, Daryl.
Thank you.